Hi, welcome to the ingredient channel. In this episode, I will share a secret sauce for a delicious steamed eggplant recipe. Like all the recipes in my channel, this one is simple and easy to follow. Ready? Let's go. First, we will prepare the eggplant. We're using Chinese eggplants, which are long, lighter in color, and have thin skin. Wash them thoroughly and remove the hard stems. Cut the eggplants in half, then slice them down the middle. Next, cut some scallion rings. Steam the eggplants on high heat for 5 minutes. While the eggplants are steaming, let's make the sauce. Start with 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of starch. Add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix until you have a smooth paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and mix again. One teaspoon of soybean paste and mix well. Finally, add about a third cup of water and mix until smooth. Once the eggplants are steamed, transfer them to a plate, ensuring the center is exposed to absorb the sauce. Make sure the eggplants are well drained. Sprinkle the scallion rings on top. To drain the eggplant, you might want to let it sit for a while because there's water coming out of the eggplants after a while, and then you just dump the water. In a heated pan, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Crack an egg into the pan, stir fry, and break the egg into small pieces. Add the sauce mixture and stir until it thickens on low heat. If it becomes too thick, add a bit more water until bubbles form evenly. Switch off the heat. Spread a thin layer of the sauce over the eggplants. If you have leftover sauce, it makes a perfect dip for cucumber and radish. Check out another video where I show how to use this sauce with radish. Pick one up, add some scallion rings, dip it in the sauce and enjoy. This dish is fresh, light, and delicious. I hope you enjoy this simple recipe and feel more connected to the rich Chinese food culture and its unique ingredients. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!